Hi, I'm Omar and I'm a programmer. A lot of times people ask me how to make high-key portraits in Photoshop. Now I respond to them that that's a really complicated task and there's a lot of steps involved, but people still expect me to answer in a small amount of time. So I prepared this way to make a high-key portrait in a really small amount of time. Now this is not a professional method, but it's enough to get the job done for an amateur or for if you want to quickly make yourself into a high-key portrait. So let's get started. Open up Photoshop and open up the portrait that you want to use. I'm using a portrait of myself. Even though it looks like a gorilla, it's actually me. I cut out the gorilla so that there's no background, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a white background layer to it. So now that the white background layer is added, you go back to the portrait layer and click on Image, Adjustments, Brightness and Contrast. With a high-key portrait, you want to up the brightness a great deal and up the contrast only a slightly bit less than you up the brightness. So go ahead and click OK. And the next thing you want to do is choose the eraser, choose a soft brush, and the opacity to around 50. And just go ahead and click on the edges so that you erase all the hard edges of the picture. With a high-key portrait, all the edges are supposed to be soft. That's pretty much all you need to do, but if you want to add an extra layer of high-key appearance, just click on the I'm sorry, not the smudge tool. Click on the dodge tool and make sure you have a soft brush and exposure 100%, and just go ahead and go over the areas that you want to brighten up in the portrait. So I'm brightening up the cheeks and the shoulders because I figured that might be necessary for the high-key portrait to have an effect. If I want to make things darker, just use the burn tool, similarly making parts of the image darker. I'm Omar and I just showed you how to quickly and easily make a high-key portrait in Photoshop. Have a good day.